Oh, the Yamahas are nice and close together today. Friendly these two old Yamahas are getting to be. Well, not the FZ. The FZ's new, but the old IT175 is getting pretty up tight and close with its brother there. Okay, this is going to be the last day we're going to work on this old IT in a little while. We have the proper jet for it for the pilot circuit because we were running a little too lean on that, so we're going to throw in this jet. It is a 70. We are taking out a 35. I'm surprised it even runs on the 35, but it does. So we are going to be taking out that jet, and we're going to rejet it real quick once again. Doesn't take me long to do, just a few minutes. So I'm going to get these girls a little further apart from each other so I can work on this thing. We're going to tackle the headlight here another day. We're not going to worry about that today. We just want it up and running and working so that we can ride it hopefully this week or next week. I feel like I'm missing something. We got new tires. We got new plastics. Headlight is going to need a little bit of work, so... Oh, right. So we got a bunch of oil in the crankcase. That is good news. We got a bunch of water in the crankcase we have to get worked out. Something may have been draining into there at some point, so we're going to do an oil change on it and do a little bit of flushing. And that means it's okay. The oil need to be changed anyway. And that means we'll be able to take these things out, me and Ben, and do a little bit of riding on them. The P's in the back. But these two machines should be good to ride here right away. Okay. Don't tell Ben. Well, we wait for as much of that to drain as we can. We will quickly pop out the carburetor one more time, and we will replace the jet in it real quick here.
gonna give the Suzuki a little bit of a tune-up quickly here. It's just being cold-blooded, doesn't like to start. Once it gets running and it idles okay, but I have a feeling that the pilot jet might have partial blockage in it again because the fuel system in the carb and that was so dirty. You guys remember what that was.
We just took out this tiny little 25 that was partially blocked, so that's why it was hard starting. But we are actually going to put in this 35 here from the IT because they are the same jet, and this thing I think needs a little more fuel at idle. So we're actually going to stick a slightly larger jet in it, and I bet you that'll help us a ton.
There you have it. Both of these machines are ready to go, and the next time you see them, me and Ben are gonna be breaking stuff, just like old times, just like the winter. All right, that's all I got. I am quickly running out of time on this SD card. Thanks everybody for watching. Next time you see these things, we'll be breaking them. See everybody in the next one. Bye everybody.